In this video, you'll learn how to customize the side menu for your hub. In your hub, go to Hub Administration, then Menu Editor. You'll see your current menu here. Toggle between what your menu looks like to a user that is logged out and to a user that is signed in by clicking the button in the User View section. Rearrange existing menu items by clicking and holding the handles of the menu item and dragging it to where you want it to appear on your menu. To create a new menu item, select Add Menu Item. In the Menu Editor field, change the menu item type. You can play around to see what each type does, but for now, let's keep this as a link. Choose when you want this item to appear on your menu. Next, create a new title for your menu item. Put the URL to where you want this menu item to go. You can add a URL from anywhere on the internet. You can also put a local URL, which means that you're directing this menu item to some place in your hub. To add a local URL, find the hub URL for what you want to direct to. Then copy everything after the main URL. Make sure the local URL starts with a /, like this. Choose whether you want this link to open in a new tab or not. Then choose a new icon for your menu item. You can use the search at the top to find icons easily. Make sure to save your menu when you're done customizing it. You can always come back to the menu editor to make any changes.